How to hide all your posts at once. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to hide all your posts at once. Easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook app and here click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon, or you can easily click on setting and privacy and click on setting. Here you can scroll down and now click on posts. Here you can if you want to limit who can see your posts or who can see your stories or who can see your reels. You can limit the persons or users on Facebook who can see your posts. If you want to hide all your posts at once, all you need to do is scroll down and go to profile and tag in, and here click on scroll down or search for tag in who can see posts. Now who can see your posts, all you need to do is click on see more. You can choose everyone, friends of friends, friends or friends except someone, or click on only me to make all your posts on your Facebook account private. Only you can see it. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.